everyone, I am at 573 New Moon Street in Avon. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just under 1,400 square feet. It has a living room, a dining room, a breakfast nook. It's been recently renovated and ready for you to move in. I'm Jocelyn Deal with Elite Icon Team at eXp Realty, and this is my newest listing. Come on in and let's check it out. If you have any questions or you'd like to see this home for yourself, reach out to me. I'd love to show it to you.